182, Bravo. Good. Tracy, thank you. Taxi Delta. Stand 42 Romeo. 2 Romeo. 42 Romeo, 182.
Went all the way there for her to tell me she wants a blood. And then she went fast, quickly, and I'm like,
Everyone, Tower is everyone handle reinforcement exit 35 on 1015, 87, 6, Smoking in, Emma, Birmingham, hello, cleared Ronald West, London, departure, squawk 51. Zone 1, Mike departure, close to 51, 6, Noria, 1015, question. Smoking in, Emma, Tango, Roger, after the Rhino behind you, push that approach, and 50. After that, taxi 15, back in Battle, Lowen 1, Lowen A, then with us. Request B92, runway T30 for takeoff, Wendy C20. First to stop runway, request Problem 5 Delta Whiskey, fully established service, 5.5 miles. 5 Delta Whiskey, have a look, continue approach, 7 going ahead. Continue approach from Delta Whiskey. Vendor taxi holding point Sierra 1 to run 2, QNH is 1035. Holding point Sierra 1, runway 35. From the 5 Delta Whiskey, runway 3 land, Wendy 320. Delta,